who had a
Truck.
every time he saw a
Man.
he would wave and wave his hand, and he'd wave his hand, and that's right. One day he was riding in his dump truck singing a happy when he met a going along the road. Would you like a ride in my yes? Oh,
Thank you.
said the
Pig.
and he climbed into the back of the. After they had gone a little way down the road, the man saw a friend. He waved his hand. He waved his hand and tipped the dumper. Whee! Said the pig.
That's fun.
What fun! And he slid all the way down to the bottom of the dumper. Very soon they came to a. Here is where my friends live, said the pig. You have a nice. Would you please let my friends see your truck? I will give them a ride in my dump truck, said the. So the hen and the rooster climbed into the truck, and the climbed into the and the dog and the cat climbed into the truck. The rooster's funny, yeah. And the pig climbed back into the truck too. And the man closed the tailgate so they would not. And then off they.
Yeah.
And they went past the. And all the animals waved to the farmer. The man was very happy. They are all my friends, he said. So he waved his hand and took the dumper. The hen, the rooster, the duck, the dog, the cat, and the pig all slid down the dumper into a big heap. The animals were all so
happy.
Then the man took them for a long ride and drove them back to the
farm.
He opened the tailgate wide and raised the all the way up. All the animals slid off the truck onto the what a fine sliding board. They all said, "Thank you," said all the animals. Said the hen. That's right, cuckoo, cuckoo. What did the rooster say? What? What'd the rooster say? Okay, what'd the duck say? What did the dog say? What did the dog say? What did the dog say? What did the cat say? And the pig let out a big grunt and said, "Oink, oink."
Oink, oink.
The man waved his hand and rode off into his dump truck, singing a happy. That's right.
Hattie?
The end.